Today I want to talk about Cisco Hierarchical network design. So, hierarchical network design basically means that you have a network that is organized into an access layer, distribution layer, and core layer. Of course, in the access layer, you have your access switches, which are the ones that are connected to the end users and are also connected to the distribution switches. So in this case, we have one switch. We have two switches that have connections both to the distribution switch 1 and distribution switch 2. So this is for redundancy purposes. And of course, distribution switches. In the distribution switches, we have the distribution switches, of course, and this is where the access layers are aggregated and routing is performed. And of course, core layer, where the core layer switches are located at. This is sometimes called the backbone layer, and this is where the distribution switches, layer switches, are aggregated. So as you can see there, and we also have, and this what do you call this? This square here. This is called switch block, dotted or hyphenated square. This is called switch block because this is all the layer 2 stuff is happening, except on these ports right here, which are connected to the core layer switches. So as you can see here, layer 2 links. These are all layer 2 links, and here, this is where you do your node switch port on the port. So these ports become routed ports, as you can see there. So yeah, that's it. Based on my experience, I actually seen a network that is all this here is layer 2, and it's like a router on a stick. So they're doing their routing here on the core layer switches, or on the BR routers, or on their layer 3 devices. So these are all layer 2 here, and these ports here are just trunk ports. So in order for this, for example, this is VLAN 1 and VLAN, and right here you have VLAN 2. Of course, for you to communicate with someone that belongs to VLAN 2, they have to do routing, and they're doing the routing they're doing the routing on this device. So that is just based on my experience, but the book that I'm reading says that on the distribution layer switches you should do your routing, but I guess this is just reference, but you can do custom or manual manipulation of your network. It depends on your needs, I guess. So yeah, I guess that's it for now. I want to talk more stuff in the future. So yep, thanks for watching.